Our last competitor for the day is Brandi Martz, a new spin on sustainable plastics, biaxial roll milling.
343 million tons. That's how much plastic waste is generated across the globe every single year. 343 million tons of things we use every single day. Your clothes, your water bottle, the laundry basket, kitchen utensils, the list goes on and on and on. This is what 343 million tons of plastic waste actually looks like. People living in mountains of trash, drinking microplastic contaminated water, and inhaling toxic fumes from burning plastic waste. Disgusting, isn't it? Well, what do we do about it? Reduce, reuse, replace, and recycle? These are great ideologies, but rarely practical. Plastic is cheap, it's convenient, and it's inescapable in the modern world. Well, what about recycling? Unfortunately, only 9% of plastics ever made have been recycled. And of that, only 2% meet the quality standards we expect and are willing to pay for. So what do we do now? Well, sustainability is not a new issue. So what if the solution isn't either? My research uses biaxial roll milling, a metallurgy technology dating back to 600 BCE. This technology uses compression and shear to change the structure of plastic materials, to make them stronger, more stiff, and most importantly, tougher. Using this technology, we're able to make biodegradable materials that are 14 times tougher than unrolled materials. We can apply it to recycled materials to make them 3,000% tougher than unrolled recycled materials. And we can use it to challenge limitations of currently mechanical recycling methods. In mechanical recycling, blending two things together that don't want to mix gives you an unusable product at the end. This technology allows us to put blends of materials through this process and get a material that is 22 times tougher than the original material that was not rolled. We're able to create value out of trash. Now, if we're really going to go to war on plastic waste, it can't just be the materials, it has to be the processes that we're using as well. Biaxial roll milling does not use any chemicals, not even water. We don't create very much scrap, and it can be done at room temperature. And because it's been around for thousands of years in the steel industry, it's readily available and energy efficient. Now, I just want you to imagine putting one of these roll mills at the end of an existing recycling facility. That way, the next time you throw something into one of those blue recycle bins, you're not contributing to this 343 million tons of waste. You're creating something that you use every single day. Thank you.